Ready to revolutionize your home with voice-controlled lights and smart thermostats? Imagine walking up to your door and having it unlock automatically without reaching for your keys. For those who've invested in Apple's ecosystem and own their devices, now's the perfect opportunity to elevate your living space with these game-changing HomeKit accessories that make home automation a reality. Looking for the ultimate in-wall command center? The brilliant button control is a solid option for Apple HomeKit users. Equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen panel, this smart device combines all the essential devices such as lights, cameras, locks, thermostats, and more by simply replacing a traditional wall switch. It also has a built-in camera with a privacy shutter and a built-in motion sensor. So as soon as it detects any motion, the camera will turn on and start capturing videos. Next up, enjoy the convenience of a smart lock that is brought by Schlage, offering multiple ways to unlock the door without using any physical keys. In such a way, you can also share remote and quick access to anyone if needed. Plus, if there's a power or internet outage, you can still access the front door using its dedicated key. Moreover, smart home integration ensures you can enjoy home automation the way you've been dreaming for decades. Not to mention, the added security that Schlage provides is amazing. 1. Starting with the video doorbell. We have the smart device that's truly a must-have for every smart home owner living in Apple's ecosystem because it's one of the best video doorbells out there, and it's compatible with every cross-platform for a better automation experience. It's packed with a high-resolution camera that provides a super wide field of view, making it a better option out there. In addition, its low-light sensitivity delivers a clear view in complete darkness with enhanced nighttime visibility. You probably hear small in design but mighty in performance, and this quote is absolutely suitable for this smart bulb. Though it's compact, it can still deliver up to 1,000 lumens of brightness, which is pretty much unseen on HomeKit light bulbs. However, from dusk to dawn, you'll get full access through the mobile app and can do everything right from it without needing any bridges or hub systems. You can even choose the rocking hue from the plethora of color combinations that perfectly meet your mood and occasion as well. Adjusting your home temperature manually can be quite a hassle, and that's why you need this premium thermostat that will automatically set your home temperature to keep you comfortable. To get the perfect temperature, you must turn it on and pair it with your air conditioning units. This device works just like magic. It also includes a smart sensor that detects your presence, and based on that, it adjusts the temperature for comfort when you're home. Get familiar with the Aqara Hub G3, a security camera home hub system, and much more. It records and delivers stunning content that's relatively unseen on a budget security camera. The best thing is that it supports Zigbee 3.0 along with Apple HomeKit and other cross-platforms. That means you don't have to worry about automation and get rid of the hassle of installing multiple add-ons. First on our list, the Bosch Smart Home Smoke Detector is a reliable and easy-to-install solution for those looking to enhance their home safety. It's easy to install, and it comes with clear instructions that guide you through the process step by step. Besides, the device is powered by batteries which make it wireless and easy to maintain. On top of that, it's fully compatible with Apple HomeKit and other smart devices such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means that you can easily integrate the device into your smart home setup and control it using your iPhone or other smartphones. In addition to its compatibility with smart home platforms, the Bosch Smoke Detector is equipped with a range of advanced features. It has a loud alarm that alerts you and your family in case of an emergency, especially when it senses fire or smoke, and it can also be integrated with other Bosch smart home products such as a security system and thermostat. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality smoke detector that's easy to install and works with popular smart home platforms. So these were the 7 must-have HomeKit accessories just for you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.